Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fill these very expensive 1-pound tanks with a 20-pound grill tank. I'll put the link below. You can actually find these at Harbor Freight if you go on Harbor Freight, but I ordered mine from Amazon. And it's this little piece right here. This piece, big piece, big piece, goes into the tank. You want to make sure you get it tight. And then of course your tank goes on like this. What we have found is you want to get your tanks as low on pressure and as empty as you can get. I use these in a buddy heater. So I let the buddy heater use all the gas so it completely is dry. And then, a lot of people don't like this part, but you want to go away from an open flame, just be out in the middle of nothing, and use this screwdriver. You can either get a skinny screwdriver and push down and let the gas out, or you can pull up on the relief valve. I like to push down in this. I don't like to use that relief valve. I don't like messing with that relief valve. Some guys will get hemostats that are kind of crooked and small, and they'll pull up on that. And the problem is you pull up too hard, now it's not going to work. So what I do is I push down on this. Then once you get all the pressure out of it, you take this can, you throw it in your freezer for 30 minutes. Then you come back out and you screw it on. You turn this tank upside down to get the liquid down by the valve, and you turn it on for 2 minutes. Turn it off, and that is almost completely full. You can overfill these if you go past 2 minutes. It's easy to overfill one. But if your relief valve is working properly, you shouldn't have a problem. So let's go drain the air off this one. And then I'm gonna set it in the freezer. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes, and I'll get right back. All right, guys. When you do this, a lot of people don't agree with this, but if you empty this all the way out, there shouldn't be hardly any pressure in it. So make sure you're away from everything. Don't do it next to your RV by your refrigerator vent where your gas is on and you have an open flame. Get out in the middle of the night. It's windy out here. There's nobody around. I have a little Phillips screwdriver, and all I'm gonna do is push it down in there. And as you see, I can smell it, but there's no pressure on this coming out at all. If you push on this valve, if you pull up on it with hemostats, the problem is it may not seal good. And a lot of people on YouTube will tell you to turn your tank upside down, put this at 10 o'clock, and then pull out on that valve, and once it starts spitting, it's full. Well, that's fine, but if that doesn't seal, then it's no good. So make sure it's empty, put it in the freezer, 30 minutes. When it comes out, we will fill it. And it is probably, because we're the land of YouTube, it's gonna be about that fast. All right, just pull this out of the freezer. It was in it for 30 minutes. So you attach it. Let me get my phone. I want it set for 2 minutes. Right there. Now what you do, don't open this up yet. You want to flip it upside down, and that gets all the gas down. And then as soon as I open this, I doubt you'll hear it, but you will hear the gas going in. Hit your timer. We're at a minute 45. I can still hear it going in. Give it just a second more. Turn it off. Flip it upside down. To me, that feels as full as the ones you buy from the store, but it's not over. And that's it. Freeze them, or let the pressure out, throw it in the freezer for 30 minutes, come out, hook it up, turn it upside down, turn the gas on, 2 minutes, and you're ready to grill again. There's 20 bottles, 1-pound bottles in this thing. Maybe a little over, but there's 20 of them in here. And these things are about what, $3 to $4 a piece. You can buy 2 packs for $5.50, maybe $6. I can fill this up down here in Florida. I can fill this tank for about $14. So there you go. It's a lot cheaper. I hope this helps. Like and subscribe. Facebook, Instagram. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.